Hi, so today I wanted to do a review on the Bissell Proheat Revolution Pet Pro. It's a machine to clean the carpets that I've recently gotten and added to my cleaning routine that has really helped cutting down on pet odor and sanitizing. I'd gotten to the point in my cleaning routine to where no matter how much I vacuumed, how many candles, Febreze, plugins I used, it still smelled like dog in the living room. So when I was researching different machines to clean the carpet, I decided on this particular one by Bissell for two reasons. The first reason was that it had an upholstery brush that I could use to clean the fabric on the couch where the pet odor was kind of just seeming to linger. And it was one machine that I could use for both the couch and the floor because of that upholstery attachment. The second reason I really like the Bissell Proheat Revolution Pet Pro and decided to go with this machine is that it's easy to take apart and clean, because I knew with having two dogs, no matter how much I vacuumed, there was still going to be a lot of hair on the floor that would get sucked into the machine, and I would need to clean it out once I was done cleaning the carpets. So this is the Bissell Proheat Revolution Pet Pro. It has this reservoir on top that you're going to put the warm water and the cleaning solution in. It holds a whole gallon of fluid, which is very nice. And it's very easy to take off and put back on the machine. This bottom reservoir is where the dirty water gets sucked back into the machine, and then you empty once you're done. It holds a lot of fluid. On the express function, I'm actually able to do the whole living room before I have to empty it, which is very nice. So something that's great about this machine is there are three separate functions. There's the max clean, the deep clean, and the express clean. When I first got this machine to clean the carpets, because we had been living here for a year and a half and had not cleaned the carpets, I used the max clean function, and I used the cleaning solution that came with the carpet cleaner as a sample by Bissell, the antibacterial cleaner, and on max clean that worked great to get rid of all the dirt that has been sitting there for a while. Since then I use express clean. I clean the carpets about once a month and as needed. And on express clean, it only takes 30 to 60 minutes for my carpets to dry, which is great, opposed to the 8 hours it took for them to dry on the max clean. So express clean, the carpets dry a lot faster, and I feel like it does just as good as a cleaning job if you do it every month and keep up with it. On the express clean, I either make my own carpet solution using OxyClean and Fabuloso, or I just add some lavender Odoban to the warm water in the reservoir, and that does a great job of freshening up the carpets and sanitizing. Deep clean is a function I would use if I just wanted to do some extra cleaning before we had a bunch of people over. So now I want to show you one of my favorite things about this machine, and that is using the upholstery attachment. So to do that, you just lift this tab on the bottom of the machine, and then you plug in the upholstery hose. It goes right there, and then you just plug the attachment into the hose like that, clicks right into place, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so this is the water reservoir off the top of the machine. On the back it has nice little lines of how far you fill up with water and how much formula. So if you're doing max and deep clean, you do this side, otherwise you use the easy fill. So I'm going to fill warm water up to the water line, and then whatever cleaning solution I want to use, I'm going to then fill that up to the formula line. Okay, so I'm going to screw the top off of the reservoir. Then I'm going to start filling it up with warm water. The machine does keep the water warm, but if it's not already warm, it won't heat it up. Okay, so I went ahead and I filled the reservoir up to the water line with warm water. And now I'm going to fill up to the formula line with Odoban, because today I really want to freshen and sanitize the carpets. So I'm going to use my funnel. This just makes it a lot easier. I'm just going to pour this right in until it reaches that formula line. There we go. All right, and now we just put the cap on and we are ready to go. Okay, so the way I do this is I do 4 total sweeps in each area. I do 2 sweeps holding down the trigger like I am here to release the water in the cleaning solution. And then after that, I do 2 sweeps without holding the trigger so that the machine sucks up all of the dirty water. and it's important to go really slowly. So here you can watch again where I do 2 sweeps, holding the trigger down, releasing the cleaning solution, and then 2 more sweeps, not holding the trigger, so that the machine just sucks up the cleaning solution. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the living room floor. It took me about 15 minutes on express clean, not too bad at all. And this is the dirty carpet water that the machine sucked back up. Super satisfying. This is no longer on the floor. It smells so good, so fresh and clean in here. It does not smell like dog at all. Okay, so this is the Bissell Proheat Revolution Pet Pro. I absolutely love this machine. I use it at least once a month, but oftentimes a lot more frequently because it's just so easy to use, really fast, and it leaves my carpet so fresh and clean and my whole house smells great. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and come back next time for a video on how to clean the machine so that it is fresh and clean for next time.